Let's make more keychains. So with this kit, in addition to getting these beautiful bezels to make these types of keychains, you also get silicone molds. So today we're going to be making some keychains with these molds. Here are the items I'm going to be using from the kit. I'm going to be using the colored UV resin and also the silicone molds. This kit also comes with a UV lamp, but today I'm going to be using this larger one. This one is a dual-sided lamp, which provides light on top and bottom, and it also has a bigger surface area. So I'm going to be using this one instead. In addition, also have some extra fillings. I've got some stickers, some glitter chunks, and some flowers. And I'm also going to be using some clear UV resin. I'm going to start with the UV resin. I'm just going to drop some color. I'm going to do random spots. You actually get a lot in each bottle, so you can make quite a lot of keychains. These colors are so bold and beautiful. And as you can see, they actually go very well with each other. Look at all these colors. Okay, so I'm going in now and popping the bubbles and spreading the resin to the very edges. And for some of these, I'm going to swirl them a bit just to mix the colors up. Ooh, I like this one a lot. I'm not going to swirl it too much. I'm just going to tilt it. Okay, this is looking so pretty. At this point, let's go ahead and cure it. So I'm going to cure this for about 3 minutes. If you're using this one, it only has the lamps on top, so you would actually need to cure it and then flip it over and cure it again. But since my lamp here has lights on the top and bottom, I only have to cure it one time. So the resin is cured, so that only took a few minutes, but we don't want to take it out of the mold yet. So let's go ahead and add some stickers. So for this dog bone, I'm going to add an A for RC. And these are just regular stickers that you can get anywhere. For the heart, we're going to add a K. Once we're done with the sticker part, we're going to add some clear resin. Now I'm going to add some of these flakes. And we're also going to add some flowers. So all the flowers are in and they're looking really good. So what we're going to do is cover it with the clear resin. Once we're done, we're going to cure it again for another 3 minutes. All right, let's take a look. Here is the one for RC. And these are so easy to demold. Here it is, super shiny, and oh my goodness, so pretty. So we have the flowers embedded. We have A for RC. Here is the back. This is so shiny. And I love that it has the holes pre-drilled. Here's the next one. This one's a rectangle. Oh, it's actually rounded. I didn't realize that. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the back. So this is actually rounded, which I wasn't aware. For this mold, the best way to use it is to put your items face down. So the flowers should be facing this way and the background here. But we can add one more layer of resin to dome it, and then it'll look fine. But right now there is a little ridge here. So the best way to do it is to actually do it the opposite, where you put the flowers face down, clear resin, and then the colors. The flower, oh, this one's also rounded. Okay, so there is a few that is rounded that we should do differently next time. Here is the back. We can actually put a sticker back here and cover it with resin too. So this is okay. It still looks very pretty. Look at this flower. This one is not rounded, so this one is just a straight edge. Here is the back. Here are the flowers. I really like this one. Here's the teardrop, and this one is also rounded. Oh my goodness. So here is the back and the front. And the heart. So the heart is a straight edge. Here's the back, and here's the front. What do you think? I think these turned out really, really nice. All right, everyone, so here are the 6 that we made today. 3 of these have rounded edges, which is really cool, and the other 3 have squared off straight edges. So do you see a favorite? And if you're interested in this kit, I'll have the link down below.